Let's take care of the disclaimer, and once that's done, we'll get to the charts. This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Please do not copy our trades. We're just trading to have fun. Many, if not most of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube. Due to the delay of the stream, there's a latency of sometimes 5, 10, 15, 20 seconds. We're active scalpers. We could be out of the trade in 10 seconds. You don't even see us opening yet, and we're already out. We also trade offline, and I trade off camera. I have other charts, other screens, so you do not get to see the complete picture. Do not copy our trades. We are not licensed professionals. We're also not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90-95% of all traders lose money. We're not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Also, finally, please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Please read and understand the rest of CFTC Rule 4.41, and let's get to the charts. Good morning, day after the Super Bowl. Lousy game. I mean, great for the Eagles, but for entertainment, a score like that, I want my money back, and I didn't even pay for tickets. Anyways, what can you do, eh? They can't all be barn burners. And I'm kind of happy the Eagles won anyways. I don't like when one team dominates like that. I find it unfair. So let's get to the charts. There's not a lot of time left, 14 minutes. I start with the 15-minute chart every morning. That's my ritual. What do I see? Oh, this is the midnight open, the solid blue line. Let me grab that, find midnight. Midnight is somewhere around here. Oh, now I need those things again. Good morning, Only Futures Trading. Starting my my pregame warm-up, see where everything is, see where the markets stand. Did you watch the Super Bowl by any chance in Finland? Let me see, it played at 6 o'clock. That would have been 11 p.m. for you. Yeah, you could have watched it, 5 hours ahead. But if you didn't miss anything. Okay, the 15-minute chart. Well, what can you say except bullish? We're above previous day's close, which is the solid black line. We're above, obviously, the previous day's close, and we're above the previous day's low. We are also trading above the Asian session. We never visited the low of the Asian session, so for me, that's all bullish. And we're trading at the top of the London session, or near the highs of the London session. 30-minute. The levels that I have, did they all get erased, or are we nowhere near them? They all got erased. Look at that. I think when I clear my database and I clear my cache, they get erased. Okay, well, I don't have time to put them in. I think I'll put in just the obvious ones. Was it Control F12, I think? Let me see. I remember this one here. That congestion area, consolidation area. And I'm going to make it quite high. If I can grab this one here, I'm going to put it up to there. You know what? I didn't do a mic check yet. Mic check, headset. Let me just confirm that my mic is working. Let me also go into the Windows settings. I'm sorry about that. I forget. And Windows is funny. Keeps lowering my mic. Okay, there we go. I made it a little bit higher. Hopefully it's not redlining. Let me see. Where's the headset mic? Filters, gain. Oh, the gain is, I can raise the gain a bit. Let's do something like this. Let's just here. Better, and I just put on noise suppression. This is my last audio check. Wow. That sounds pretty clean. Yes, I am still sick, unfortunately. I have to cough, not too often, but... So, looks like everything's working properly. Aye. Okay, so I'm bullish. What else am I doing? I am not trading really much today. I don't feel it. I don't feel the market volatility is crazy low. It's at 4.95. What's the volume actually? Probably 200,000. Yeah, 286,000. I won't say it's going to be a quiet day. I won't say it's going to be an active day. But what I will say is that for the moment, I just don't feel it. So I'm going to pick which account I'm going to trade. I just did. It's going to be an eval. A 150K eval is $600 away from passing. I'm at 158, 372. I'm not going to take any trades off the open, which I normally always do. And even at this eval, I'll probably only trade 1 or 2 micros. What I am going to do to start off the day, though, is I'm going to watch this one here, the opening drive play. If I'm not mistaken, it's set up properly to take the trade. I did a lot of coding this weekend. I tested it. It seems that it's working fine. But you never know. You have to test it in market conditions for months. And I came up with 2. Well, I didn't come up with. I had these strategies before, but I just kind of tweaked them, revised them, polished them up a little bit. And one of them is on the chart today. It is called the FBG 2BR. And what I'm looking for is a fair value gap to be broken, violated in 2 bars. So that's just a condition that I'm going to be looking at, and then I may consider an entry on that. The other one, I would like to run it, but I can't do too many things at once. And I don't really have the chart space for it, so I got Counter-Strike running a little bit off screen. And that's it. That's my take on life. If anybody's got something to add, say your piece. If not, now I just wait. I wait. I hope everything is set up properly. do one more mic check. It's not even real. This is real. Okay. It's working good. What else we got? We got one chart, no cam. That's the 1 minute chart, right? Yep. Bullish fair value gap high, bullish fair value gap low, bullish fair value gap false. Bearish fair value gap true. That means the last one was a bearish fair value gap. Interesting to see if we run down to the London lows and the midnight open. So right there we would have, within 10 points, we have Asian high, midnight open, London lows, and VWAP. That's a lot. And now that I see all that, I wouldn't be surprised if we run down to that level. But I'm not forming a bias. Every time I form a bias, I take a trade in that direction. And then I let it just run against me. And I say, ah, it's going to go, it's going to go. Oh. Let me just take a quick look on the 15-minute and see what we did on Friday. Yeah, pretty much sold off, eh? Now we're recovering. So even that gives me more of a reason to think that we'll come down and touch this 21,710 to 21,690 level. Maybe even just 21,700, which is 60 points lower. Anyways, who knows? Who knows? Anything can happen, but it would be a bit of a continuation. 2 minutes to open, it would be a bit of a continuation. Look at that. The 50% of the day's range is there too. Oh my god. Oh my god. And what are we doing on the daily? 30 minutes. Oh my god, 30 minutes. My moving average has disappeared also. Did I save a template 30 minute, at least with the moving averages? 30-minute chart white. Let's see. Kaboom! No, moving averages aren't on it, so I'll have to fix that chart later on tonight. And on the daily, we are trading above the 50 and the 100. So we're bullish and we're bearish. All at the same time. I mean, no, that 21,700 level really has a bullseye on it. That 21,700 level has a bullseye on it. Let's see. It's too bad Woodchip wasn't here. I'd wonder what he had to say about that. Okay.
I talked, does David hear me? Yeah, I'm coming in. Oh, I hear Alex now, yeah.
I'm talking to myself. My headset mic wasn't even on. I gotta start all that over. Sorry, Woodchip. Good morning. I'm gonna just say it real quick. My mouth is tired already. 21,700 seems to be a really good place to drop price. Asian highs, London lows, VWAP, midnight open, and 50% of the day's range is all hanging around that 21,700 to 21,690. So I said here, I put it up on the chart on the 15-minute. It's in this area right here. I'm really thinking it could be a draw.
I want to know, how hard was it with Brandon's tutorials?
No, we didn't do it, but are you going to take this next one?
Mm-hmm.
We didn't do it, but it looked like it was doable.
How'd you watch it?
Megan called one of her friends and asked for a streaming site. Yeah. Just a little mini itsy bitsy 2-lot here. Nothing to get myself into trouble. You find it strange. Opening drive didn't take a trade yet.
Oh, they're completely uncorrelated.
I got a whole bunch of new PA accounts, so I have 5 here on this. It's too quiet for that to hear. And I was talking.
Those triple equal lows on NQ.
Yeah.
Right.
ES took that whole session, that whole like 7 to 8:30 low, and NQ was moving up.
What
in
chip?
the world.
What chip? I'll ask David about that trade of thing you were talking about once the markets calm down a little bit. I have to pass this account. I have to make $570. It's $150,000 PA account. Then I'll have 2 of them. Once I pass this account, I think I'll have as many as 8 or 9. And then I'm going to start trading them on some kind of rotation. But like I said, today I just feel off. Okay, locked in a little bit more. First FEG is in. Oh, okay. Locked in a little bit. What? Locked in a little bit more. You scared me with the first fair value gap. I may have a way to trade for it. I'm going to try a 1-lot on it just to see if we can close on a Renko chart of mine to the downside. Buying the, oh, you're buying the tap. Boys, why are you hearing me? There's an echo. Oh, shit. There we go. Yeah, it's done. Oh, it's so close. So close, trying to get there to get me in short. And there we go. That was the bounce. Let's see what happens. Oh, but also that was the tap into the fair value gap. I'm buying the tap. The tap of the tip. Whatever.
I don't know what to think.
Me neither.
Bearish SMT with NQ and then a bullish SMT with ES on the bottom. I don't know. And equal lows on on NQ. Even though NQ is gonna form Alex that bullish thing there, I'm not gonna take that. When they're super uncorrelated.
Oh, I'm going to take this one for a 4-lot. And hopefully we break above the US session highs. Yes, half edge or wick. Let's go, let's go. I think I took it for a 5-lot. I want it to be in for a 4-lot. I lightened up a little bit. And if we break US session highs, I'll get out of a 1 piece. I'm gonna ride it like a Bronco. Go for it. There we go. I got a piece out at the US session highs. Oh, I just got a booger that flew on my cheek. Okay. Got out another piece because we wicked US session highs and we don't look like we want to go anywhere. And like I said, I'm really not in the mood to trade today, so. Wow, I'm really surprised. See, even the opening drive didn't do anything. Didn't even trigger in yet. And the average range of the 1 minute candles is 14 points. I wonder if 6 would have gotten us in. No, not even 6 would have gotten us in. Wow. Well, I'm trying to work my mic the best I can. Seems like sometimes I'm turning it on when I cough and turning it off when I'm not coughing. Yeah, but recoverable without too much stress. Just time. Then you get paid. Okay, I don't know how long I want to watch the opening drive play. Actually, it's over here on this thing. We got to cross above the price channel. High line or the low line. We're going to do another little tap on the 1 minute chart of the highs. Did a tap here at 936 by what, 6 points, 5 points, then went down. Then we did another one at 940, went down. Now we're going to do another one. 803. Yeah, how about 791 maybe just? I got in a small long because Counter-Strike is long, and it looks like my Renko is going to go long. I'll add a piece. There we go. 80, 90, 90, 93, 96. I got out a piece because we're not really running. We're just wicking and coming back. See, coming back again. Fuck off, I'm out. Screw you. It's not going anywhere. It's doing the same thing every time. Added a little bit to my account. Good enough. Wait for the next opportunity. Yeah, it was a good trade on Counter-Strike. It was a good run. Not sure if I would have taken it though. Oh, something just went long 10. And I can see what it is. That is the opening drive play. Now, second fair value gap can tap. Okay, I'll watch for that. The opening gap up. See what it's doing. It's up 146, 156. Now it's
Only up 40. It is time. Yeah, keeps doing the same thing, eh? Laddering. That's a good way to describe it. Well, the opening drive play is long, and that's making me want to go long because it's got a high accuracy rate. I would say it's 60 to 70% accurate, and when it catches a runner, goes sometimes for 80, 90, 100 points, sometimes 150, 200 points. $847. No, it's never gone for 847 points. Not yet. Ka-ding. I'm being ka-tinged. Who's ka-tinging me? Trading view. Maybe there's a sale. David. Woodchip was asking about your connection with TradingView. Your data is live and it's like multi-tick, right? You don't get one tick every 5 seconds?
Yeah, it looks like I get a tick every second.
About every second it changes.
Yeah.
But it's not like Top Step X. It won't change 10 times in a second.
No, it's every second pretty much, it looks like.
Are you actually paying for data feed or?
It looks like more than 1 tick per second, actually, maybe like 2 ticks per second.
Yeah, I think you're getting about two or three. You pay for data, or it's just because you bought the premium plan or whatever?
I think I get it from the challenge accounts.
And which plan do you have? It's the second, the third one?
I have the Pro, the premium one.
Pro or premium? You remember?
The premium.
Yeah. Shit.
Because I think I get my data from my challenges.
Yeah, I'm not sure exactly how it works. I tried to connect Tradevate to TV, TradingView, and they wanted $10 a month. That's what Chips is saying. They wanted $10 a month for data. How does he do it? You connect, if I'm not mistaken, you go into TradingView, then you click paper.
Yeah, I go into TradingView, I go into Trading tab.
David, look at NQ 1 minute.
I click Tradevate.
Wait.
Look at the NQ 1 minute, please. Tell me if you like it.
Alright, pooping. I was pooping, but yeah, I like it.
Can come back up.
Are you taking it?
Yeah, if it comes back up to the fair value gap. We'll see without taking a low. I took a low, never mind. Fuck.
So close.
I was on the toilet too.
At least I saw it.
We don't hide nothing.
I low-key still like it.
If you get in, I get in.
Look, I would be going against the rules, bro, so I'll avoid it. I don't want to go against my rules and get burnt. We don't have our full change in the state of delivery yet. Oh, we're doing the 2 minute.
Okay, I have a mistake here. I think. Change that to 8. Nope.
It'll probably go down well anyway, bro.
Well, tell me one. Sell market, yeah. Looks like opening drive is going to close out at a loss today. Well, I still said that 700 level is showing to be a very strong attractant for price. 700, 690. Take a look at the 3 charts here. 5 minute, top corners. Easy to see on the 5 minute. The US session highs and lows.
Okay.
One more up and it's out
Swept
for
the
me.
30-second high. It's an internal high swept.
One more up and it's up. 3. Okay, so how am I doing so far? Well, I think I'm 537. I don't remember when I started the day at 4 something. So I'm up a little bit. And like I said, I was going to trade very carefully today. Opening drive play got out. I think it did. And the markets rotated back up. It did, it did. Okay, so opening drive chart. Goodbye. I have no purpose for you anymore. Thank you. Yeah, it's good, good. Long.
What it is?
Yep, another one.
Another one? For a second, I thought I was on my account.
I'm gonna go long on the 30-second here. That's set up. Just in for one con. Very light. Very light. It's on the 30-second. And we have a lot of lows below. That's the scary part for me.
I don't have a 30-second chart, so I'm not joining you on that one. I took 803.
Oh, stopped out. That was a loss. S&T, SNNQ. Now another internal little swept.
Take a look at the Heikin Go to my eval account. I'll see if we can get a push here off the Heikin. I got in late. I should have gotten in around 780. I'm 4 points higher. Paid 4 points more than I should have paid. And a 3 lot. That size was determined by the
Setup happened again. I got in for 2. 30 seconds.
by the auto share calculator.
If you get
Indicated
stopped
that
out
I
on
had
this one, I'm done. I'm closing up for the day.
Got to break the high of the previous candle on the 15th second. Get equal highs, and there you have your higher.
Oh, S&T with ES, fuck. Bro, they're so uncorrelated, man.
I have too many contracts, so I'm lightening up because I don't want to trade that aggressively. I have a 2 lot now. It's enough. Let's see if we can catch a run. Okay, down to 1 lot.
I might stop to break even.
Now let's go break the US session highs. Wicket. Go to 21.815. I'll be happy with that trade.
No, don't just sweep the high.
You want more than 21.815?
Oh, push. Push, push, push.
Push. Yeah, it's just it's laddering again. I hate that it's going slow. We're not getting any.
No, that's a nice sweep of the high too. Fuck, push through it.
Not getting any enthusiastic buying. But it still looks very bullish.
Ah, break even. Fuck.
Damn.
Fuck. Get back in the 1 minute here. Alright, so 1 small L and 1 break even.
You want one?
TP at the top of this thread.
This?
Yep, for 2 lot.
How do I do that?
Just do 1, it's fine.
Yeah. 2.
No limit sell. 2, yeah, perfect.
Ah, that sucks.
Okay, come on, let's get a push. Let's
It's
get a
hard to see all the
push.
SMTs and shit.
Not too much to ask for a push. Come on, volatility.
I'll probably push. I got stopped out of break even. It's normally how the game goes. 10 o'clock now, so be careful.
10
o'clock distribution.
Get close to my take profit there. Come on.
The range is a bit low.
Yeah, we're just stuck in this. Look here on the 15-second chart, this little vibrational 7-point range. Go long when it comes near the moving average and on the low.
It's freezing.
What do you mean? Outside or here? No. I was a little cold. I put on a sweater. There we go.
Oh, I thought it was my screen. I hear it from you. I'm like, what the hell? Not even on my chart.
Look at it go now.
Oh, look at sucky break even.
Look at it go now to the
I
815.
put it to break even.
Yeah, me too. I put it to break even.
Took us all out.
I had to keep it break even, of course, after it pushes, yeah. Of course. Of course, of course. Tops the order and then runs. Always like that. Oh, here she comes.
Well, we got a nice entry signal on the 15-minute Heiken SE.
Crap, I'm down 300 for the day.
Weird open for ES versus NQ. They went up at first, now it seemed correlated. You know what? I find very often ES and NQ are uncorrelated. One goes up, the other goes down. I was watching that for a while. There's any lurkers in the room. If you want to hit the like button, the subscribe button, go ahead. Helps the channel. So there again, we just wicked. I won't say wicked the user session highs, but we took them out by 8 points. Came off right away again. Yeah, I don't watch them though. I mean, I have an ES chart, but I don't really look at it too much. Let me take a quick look right now. ES 5-minute. Yeah, the NQ is a lot stronger than ES. Comparing the 5 minutes. Should make them equal size. Like this. This is NQ. Keeps kind of making new US session highs. And the ES, it's under the London lows and it's not making new highs. So does US session, does ES pull NQ down, or does NQ pull ES up? I got a long signal on the 15-second Heiken SE over here, but there was one that also came in about a minute and a half before that. That was a better trade. That was the first dip into the moving average bands. Long ES. 2 micros. There we go. NQ is going to break the US session highs again and sell off. Oh, there was a trade. I didn't take that. I'm not taking it. Not entering in late, not entering in early.
Oh, damn, I missed it.
Hmm.
Oh, damn. Damn.
Yeah, but it was right at the US session highs. Look what it's doing every time. Breaks the US session highs, comes off. Breaks US session highs, comes off. Breaks US session highs. Breaks US session, comes off. Wait for a better entry.
Alex, I wouldn't take this either on the 1 minute. We just feel we're at the high of a new day opening gap. This one I wouldn't take. Oh, it would have worked. What do you know? What do you know?
You are right. No audio. I just put Alex through hell, yapping like a crazy woman, and the audio was off. There should be a little red blinking light. Let's get some audio, and let's get some cam also. Well, curious why I didn't get an arrow here in the Heiken SG. We had a retrace. Oh, there you go. There you go. You got the arrow. You have to wait for the candle to close. I don't wait for the candle to close. I wait for the cross of the high. Retrace in the bands. Booyah. Did you see my question about ATR? Oh, yeah. Sorry. My whole timing is off. See, that's why I'm not trading. Yeah. No, right now the ATR is 11 points. So if I were to use ATR or two ATRs, you're talking 11 or 22 points for a stop. I like trades with much tighter stops. I mean, the Renko system has 14 points, but that's really pushing it. 14, 15 points, that's my limit. And for these Heiken SG trades, on the 15-second chart here, when I'm waiting for a break of the previous candle's high, I mean, my stop is 3-4 points. If it goes, which I always said Heiken SG has to go right away. If it goes, I can get 2, 3, 4R. And I don't have to calculate the size. If I unlock this thing here, it'll calculate it for me. And it'll change it in my order quantity box automatically also. It depends on size. Yeah. But the thing is, if I have a 20-point stop, I need 40 points for a 2-to-1. If I have a 4-point stop, I only need 8 points for a 2-to-1. If I get my 20 points, I get a 5-to-1 out of it. I made 540 on David's trade, but my stop was wider than his. Yeah, he's aggressive with his, he's aggressive moving his stops up. Look, in the end, all strategies are good. It's just what
What the hell?
you're comfortable with. I'm long from 43.
You guys still here?
Yeah, we're all here.
Yeah, we're here.
Me, just you don't hear me. I have to unmute my mic every time.
Yeah, we're here. Like I said, when you say something, when you ask a question like that, give it at least 10 seconds for us to change our screens and turn on the mics. Woodchip said he made $540 on your trade that you called out. Dave, was that you playing a clip? Dave, was that you playing a clip with about John Stamos?
No, I have no idea who that is.
Not sure his entry. Mine was 86. Yeah, I don't know. You'd have to ask him. I am not very familiar with his setups. Well, let's look at the 5-minute. We are pushing highs constantly. Not only US session highs, but full day, full session highs. Not just US session. Just keeps slowly grinding higher and higher. I'm hungry.
Bow wow.
Wow, 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 wow. Not even possible, but okay. Sitting here, looking left, looking right, waiting for a trade. Waiting for divine inspiration. $861. Oh, I got a boat horn. See what's happening. What time is it? 10:26. I wonder if it happens always at the same time. I am starting to get bored, so I want to take larger positions. I will resist the urge. We have no leftovers from yesterday's Super Bowl party. We made sure to buy just enough so we didn't have more junk for today. Now I'm sad. No chicken wings, no chips, no pizza. All done. We bought very little, and we were 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, not a big Super Bowl party. We were 4 people. Ah, 3 generations. Me, my daughter, my wife, and my wife's mother. Grandmother, daughter, and daughter. And granddaughter. Funny. I watched the Super Bowl with a bunch of girls asking questions. Alex is trading in the zone. Can we see him? Nope, not on this one. But we can over here. Hello? See, it doesn't even hear me.
I heard you. I said yes, man.
Oh, yeah, okay. Wait. Oh, there we go.
Spell cool.
No. Why don't you connect to someone else's stream? And see, you're going to say,
That's why I told you I want to focus. So focus on your stuff.
Focus. I'm bored.
I'm just trying to watch.
I'm using huge question mark minute FVG bearish from Friday. High, last green, low across all those red candles down. Oh, that just gave me a headache, that sentence. I want to play.
I wanted it, but I took it early because you bothered me.
Yeah. Always blaming me.
Now you made my ideas change.
I'm sorry. I won't talk to you ever again.
When I'm in a trade, there's a new rule. When I'm in a trade, there's no talk.
I get you. I understand.
Pick on someone else.
I understand 100%. And I agree with you.
You made me leave my train of thought.
I agree with you 100%. You are not wrong. $901 target. This is really a slow grind up day, kind of a day. Eh? Let me do a tinker for a 1 lot here. My stop will be at 54. 4 points. Probability of being stopped out, probably 70%, I would estimate. But if I can pull, like I said, I'm trading small today. If I can pull $10 out of this trade, I'm happy. Oh, look at that. Oh, come on, film me. That was more than, there we go. That was more than 10. I'm at 599.34. 66 cents away from being at 600. Like I said, if anybody's new here, please subscribe. It will really help the channel. And I think it's time to go refresh my tea. I had a blueberry tea with honey today. I stopped drinking coffee for a while since I got sick, and I'm starting to like my teas. Ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch. You sound like you're having a good day today, Woodchip. I mean, for what I've done, I've had a good day also. Trading very small. Like I said, I really wasn't in the mood to take all trades today. I was just going to sit back and watch. We broke initial balance high, I think, there, eh? I got writing in the way. No, we didn't. It was the letter L from the word false. Maybe here we can see it a little clearer. 2 to 5 micros each time. Yeah, and I haven't even gone up to 5 micros. I think I did I did 3, my largest. But there was one time when I added, and I think my total position was 7 or 9 lots, so I'm glad I didn't get caught on the wrong side of that trade. But for initial entry, I haven't gone above 3, I don't think. And now volatility's falling. We're at 10.92 average range of 1 minute candles. Under 10, and it's kind of like almost, you shouldn't even be trading. Under 7, you really shouldn't be trading. So we're getting to that level. I think just for the fun of it, which is a stupid reason to trade, I will try to time a trade around 66 if it dips, 66, 65. And do a quick scalp for oh well, didn't go low enough. But now we broke the initial balance high. Didn't run, should have ran. If it didn't run, they're probably going to sell it. Because when it goes from initial balance, it usually goes fast and strong. And we're just hanging there. Take a look on the 15-second chart. This is the initial balance high. The dashed line, not the solid lines. Let's see if the 5 minute, there are 35 seconds. Let me put it on this one here. Let's see if the 5 minutes is going to manage to close above. It's in the top left corner. Or if they push it back in. I'm going to bet they push it back in. That's going to be my fun trade. I just sold one. They push it back in. There you go. $15. Yeah, it's not going. They were going to push it back in on the 5 minute. Okay, so 610.80. And with that, I am going to go make another tea. I'll be back.
Oh, you keep running around, girl. Where you going? What are you doing? Oh, Alex, we got to do our quiz.
It's been 6 months now, and I've been considering. What do you think he's the greatest of all time already? Want to do this right now? No, right? Yeah, just real quick. I'm gonna say yes, but I'm biased for what I see in the building. I'm gonna say he's the greatest ever, but I know there's a pretty valid argument. So I still think Tom's the greatest. I can respect it though. I know sometimes.
I don't see.
You want to see me fall? Is that what you want?
Oh, I said I'm back. What did I miss? Nothing. Ah, look at that. 5 minute, got above. Initial balance high and closed above it. So now we can see a run. Now we can see a really strong bullish day.
Well, we're going into notice one day, so we don't really know how price. I'll fall on purpose for you because I love you. Easy. What you need? An opposite way, baby.
Wow, missed some good trades. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. What can you do? What can you do? Here's one of my low 3-point stop trades. But yeah, there it goes. Got stopped out. Got stopped out without me even getting into it. Saved myself a small loser. Back inside initial balance. That's kind of bearish.
It feels really light.
Yeah, this is very light.
So I thought for 150.
Wow, oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Kind of bearish, but everything is bullish. So
Is that how much on? You said that's holy.
the strongest trades right now would be I'm in 10 micros now long. Average price 75. Wow. Yeah. Hope that's yeah, that's definitely 875.
Very light.
So I thought for 150.
Target 901. Let's see if we can see any targets on the longer term charts. I lost all my levels on the 30-minute chart. I don't know why they disappeared. Yeah, we're in a kind of little zone now, but I have it as a wide zone all the way up to 966. That's when the selling, we spiked up over here. Oh, let me fix the chart, sorry. One chart, no cam, there. And I understand these all should have it turned on. There we go. Okay, that was a little chart maintenance. Yeah, we're in this wide zone here. We had some pretty aggressive selling as we wicked into it.
Cold here.
That was on Friday, I think. Happened again a week earlier. And it pretty much was the catalyst over here when in this area where Trump brought on the tariffs. And we had a strong, I still remember this day, 14-hour consolidation at the bottom of this zone over here. So that's definitely an area I want to mark off. And I certainly want to mark off the tops as well, which I think is in the 22,100 area. Yep. Oops. Good enough. Come on. There we go. For now, those are the levels that I will keep an eye on because markets are quite strong. This is the daily. We're above the 50 moving average. We're above the 100. Wow, I'm really surprised we didn't go back down to the London lows. Where he was sitting was the midnight open, the VWAP, the 50% of the full day's range. There was even another thing there. Oh, the Asian session highs. Yeah, very surprised we didn't go back there, but we didn't. We didn't. That's why I like not having a bias anymore. Boy, oh boy, did that. Getting that lesson into my brain was expensive. It's funny. Oh, look at that. Got a long signal at the high of the day.
That dogs really like when you scratch their back leg, they can't really reach it. So maybe Sparky will like it.
What to do. I'm not taking it, certainly not at 85. I may take it if we pull back into this 78 area. I'll take a flyer at this one. And if it goes without me, it goes without me. I'll enjoy my tea. This one was a peach tea. The one before that was a blueberry tea. I bought a sampler box. All the fruity flavors.
We're about to hit prime Delmonico's classic you've never watched.
What's the range?
The range.
Like 10.
Yeah. Not going to be higher than that. 9.38. Moving into the 8s.
Okay, David, it looks like it's not going anywhere. 10:48. I'll be up in 15 minutes and we do the test. Yeah, we'll do them around 11:20, 11:30. Okay, ciao. Have to take your top step back. So how much do I have left to go? I have 750.
Gonna open up my chart here, but excuse me. I'm curious to see if there was an initial balance retest trade. I like those. Oh, look, I got the green background. Ah, lordy, 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 no, 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 no. Hold on. That's a 1-for-1 over here. Oh, so close, both of them. That's how I framed that trade. Anyways, can't get in it now. That's a 2-bar reversal. So what do? We have, let me make it big here. These 3 candles form the bearish fair value gap. Candle 1, candle 2, candle 3. And candle 1, candle 2 for a 2-bar reversal. We closed the bearish fair value gap by the second candle. So I have that marked off as a trade to try for 1-to-1. And my stop, you know what, I haven't decided what I want my stop to be yet. Either the body of the second candle, which is aggressive, but you can get better RR on that, or the low of the first candle. Harder to get to your 1-to-1, harder to get to a 2-to-1. It gives you more range. Right now, this is looking like a good entry because we just did a initial balance retest also. And we're coming into this area. I'm just not in the mood to click the buttons today. I'll buy one market. I'll buy one market. I never go market orders either. We close inside initial balance or we break that, I'm out. And they probably will do that to me and then go back up. But I don't want to risk more. Did I put honey in my tea? I don't remember. Yeah, I did, I think. You can go back up without me. Back under 600. Wow, the peach tea not that good. Maybe you need 2 bags. It's really not too flavorful. It's kind of like dirty peach water. You know what makes dirty peach water good? Honey. Let's add a little more honey. Let's have sweet dirty peach water. I don't even know how I'm doing on my Top Step account. I gotta go check. Launch Top Step. I took a couple of trades, then I closed. Oh my god, I'm down 72 cents. Okay, not bad. I was down $50 at one point. Good enough. I'm not going to put more sugar. What are you listening to there, Dave? What are you listening to there, Dave? Uh-uh. Okay, so we're still very bullish, even with this little sell-off and pushing us back into initial balance. The 15-minute is super strong, pushing full session highs, US session highs, above London highs, above VWAP, above everything. Everything is strong. Can we reverse? Yes, we can. But I'm a trend trader, so I gotta go with the direction. The direction is up. I don't know what to do. What do you do when you don't know what to do? Don't do anything. 62 needs to hold. Well, we're getting back over initial bounce highs. 5-minute close back inside it though.
But you are going to need one of these. Starting in season 2, PlayStation and Xbox players will have a setting that allows.
When Jesus talks about when I would rescue her, package them up. Send them for an example.
Today, the police came to my work and were looking for me. And it just so happened that yesterday I posted a video using a pocket that people thought was evil. And I told everybody they were wrong. And if they wanted, they could call the cops on me.
I would like to find a long setup. Definitely don't want to take a short setup.
But they said they knew nothing about a knife. One of the officers told me that he was watching my videos since I was back at the golf course. And when he saw I was in Shediac, he wanted to come try the food. So they both ordered lunch, and I got to cook for them. Anyway, just to clear up some confusion.
Re-entered at 72 long. Yeah, let's see if we can make a new high. Get over 90. First, we need to close above IB high. That's the first obstacle. Then we need a second consecutive close on the 1-minute chart over IB high. Right now I have the strong winds up, but I have some winds blowing to the downside also. Counter-strike is showing short. Really, it's the only thing. Even the 1-minute chart is still a bullish bias, except for the initial balance problem, which we can take care of very quickly if it just goes up a little more.
The White Rock's better than me? I'm not racist against Rock. I ran into the OG Tom. Tom Rock. I asked him if I could join. He said you can make an exception for me.
Look who just
Would you white flight?
triggered
No. What about
a mild short bias. That is the second one for the day. First one was through this little area here. Then it went bullish, and now it's saying might be bearish. Au revoir. We will see. I'm not convinced. Yeah, I kept doing that also. Yeah, I cycled through them all, and when I cycle through the multi-time frame charts, or all the charts there, everything is saying don't go short. I mean, you can catch a winner short, but it's probably going to be, not probably, it will be a lot less of a winner than if you catch a long one. The pullbacks are going to be shallower than the runs and the pops. Unless we get a dump like we got on Friday at 10:53, I still remember it, 100 points in 1 second. Well, no, I think it was 60 points in 1 second. Were you around there for that rug pull at 10:53 on Friday? Crazy. I even made a little TikTok about it. Wonder if I could show my own TikToks on YouTube, or that's also a copyright strike. Who the hell knows?
Who are you copywriting?
Well, no, you're using TikTok owns the rights probably to the video.
They own the right to your video. So,
I know YouTube is crazy. For copyright strikes, they're trigger happy. So we are just being magnetized to the initial balance. The initial balance high. I'm going to make it a little bigger. It's not thick enough. I made it thin because I didn't want to confuse it with the previous close, previous day's close, or previous day's high. But that's when I was in profit. Moved my stop tighter after I canceled my profit stop. Well, we are going to close above IB high. Oh, someone's clearing his throat. You're still watching the markets, David? You're still watching the markets, David?
yeah, half.
It gripped on me in those few seconds of doing the wrong order on entries. It wouldn't have happened if I had a screen for my entries. Totally sucks. It blew my PA. Holy shit. Yeah, somehow mistakes always seem to go against us. So rare a mistake goes in our favor. Well, that's the second close above IB high. I'll take a small little trade here. Get myself over 600, hopefully. The 1053 candle. Yeah. Sorry, bud. They're going to pop it back under lesson learned. Now I move my stop before canceling the previous safety net. Yeah, that's how we learn our lessons. That's how I learned my lesson not to use the trade copier. Although I'm gonna take a stab at it again. Gonna take a stab at it again, but just for 2 accounts. Man, I lost so many accounts because of that stupid trade copier. But I'm gonna use market orders this time. I think it's the limit orders that caused the problem. Are you serious? Doesn't even want to go $3 in my favor. Doesn't want to let me get above 600. Come on, give a stupid pop, really? As soon as you go up, fucking pubic hair, you get knocked back down again 3 points. Well, either they're going to push it back inside the initial balance, or the sellers are going to run out of steam and it's going to pop and make new highs. Anybody's guess. So my analysis is it's either going to go up or it's going to go down. Am I a genius or what, eh? It is either going to go up or it's going to go down. It's giving me stomach ulcers. Or sideways. Not forever. Not forever. Eventually someone's going to win. Ooh, gotcha. Yeah, goodbye. Now what am I at? 580. Ah, I hate this day. Sideways is worse. Yeah, but we always break out of a sideways.
Is he hacking, bro?
Yeah, markets are hacking. Okay, what can you do? No big deal. Let's keep trying. Let's keep trying to get over 600. This PA is now at 158, not PA, Apex, eval. Let me correct myself. 158,478. I am $522 away from passing. And I am going to trade it slowly. Or I'll trade a little bit more aggressively. Today I really just didn't feel for trading. Just didn't have it in me. I think, like I said, the Super Bowl sucked all my energy out. Now what do we got? Okay, 31 seconds to see if we can close above the initial bounce high again. Yeah, they're just gonna dick around the initial balance high. Close above, close below. Close above, close below. I'm not chasing. They're not sucking me in. I'm short. ES broke. Yeah, let me take a look at ES. See what it did. Compare this to ES 5 minute. Oh, wow. So the Nasdaq pulled the ES higher. And this is the Nasdaq 5 minute. Let's make them look the same. Get in the Asian session, the London session. That's the gray box on the left and the blue box in the middle. So this is the ES. And let's look at now at the NQ. Yeah. I can see a little bit of the ES showing weakness. Let's go back to the 1 minute. We're back under 5 seconds. Oh, how much you want to bet we go back over? I'm going to take a 2-lot and see if I'm right. Not going to let it go much. Ah, that's my tolerance. Also, it's 11 a.m. I played the range. I lost. The range I was watching was pretty much this. I was assuming we would kind of stick back in this range, go back up. That's why I stopped out so quickly.
Oh, are you retarded? You not look at your mini map.
You're looking for 675? I was looking earlier in the day at this area over here, 700, 690 area. So you're just a little below. 675 just breaks London lows. Wow, that's a generous target. If it runs, if you get a setup for that, you can put in a stop and let it run. Look, we went back into that little. It was just a fake out. Well, the market's doing everything to just take money from anybody that's chasing anything. If you want to go long, you don't go long on a push up. You wait for it to come down. At least that's my opinion.
My house.
Yeah, it's my house. It's my opinion. Oh, look what I got.
Lighthouse. And just throw the game away.
I'm gonna take a little bit of a trade here. No, again.
Maybe, bro.
I might have to close it. Okay, I saved myself from too much trouble on that. Let's see if this trade will work out for me. It is based on this chart right here. I really thought it would dump lower quickly. That's it, I'm out. Oh boy, 533 from 600. The new week opening gap. But there was a big pool there to jump in. Yeah, no, I see what you're talking about. I didn't see it as a new week opening gap, but I saw a bunch of other levels there. Let's see if we can get 2 consecutive closes above the initial balance high on the 1-minute chart. Still got 18 seconds to go. I'll start my position with a 2-lot. If they bring me back under, I'll get out. Most likely they will, because it's been that kind of a day for me lately. And no, we close above. I'll add. Yeah, to pull it back to, what did you call it? You didn't call it fair value, but you called it something. Well, I'm just getting killed on my shitty trading. $4.80. I'm working backwards. Working backwards. $4.80. Yeah, I'm thinking what you're thinking. Now that you presented it in that way. I'm thinking what you're thinking. Problem is, I would have to be thinking counter trend, and I'm not. I don't want to start doing that. I want to just be a trend trader. I'll do one more big trade. Bigger, my biggest of the day. At under 70. There, I want to get in under 70. We're a 7 lot. There we go. Come on, get over IB. Get over the IB high, there we go. Take a small piece off. This was a Renko trade. My stop on this is at 61 approximately, so 8 points under. I'm not fully convinced this is the right trade because this has a chocolate background, and that means there's kind of a very short-term bearish bias right now in the markets. And that's it for me. 480, 420. I'm a glutton for punishment. Go lower, turn black, turn black, turn black. I'm starting to revenge trade. Oh my god, I'm far from the 68 where I should be entering. Yeah, now they're gonna just rip my day apart. They're gonna just blow through IB high and come on the 15-second. We got a setup. I don't know why an arrow didn't draw in. We went into the bands and then we broke the low. Oh, that's a bearish. Come on, push lower. This is a bearish signal on the 1 minute. That often doesn't work. Okay, let me lighten up if I can. Go, go, go. There you go. I lightened up. Thank you. I don't get punished too much. Boy, they look like they want to dump it. They're just hesitating. Okay, back to 480. 3 lot. This will be my last trade of the day, boys and girls. If I can get $60 out of this, so it's got to go to 21,850. Not too far away. How about right here? Come here. Buy limit 3. That's as far as it's got to go. That'll give me $60. There we go. Let's go. Take me out. There you go. And I ended up at 532. Okay, that's my day. Thank you very much for showing up, guys. I had enough. I'm just treading water. I'm not a good trader in low volatility. I need continuation. It's we're sticking to the IB high, and I only have 9 points for the average range on the 1 minute candles. So I will come back tomorrow morning at 9:15. Thanks for showing up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit the like button if you haven't clicked the like button. And sell one micro and sell on it. Okay, Woodchip. Nice having you in the room. And I will see you guys tomorrow.